This is the Art Town event with Washington Mandela Fellows. Inside UNR. I'm gonna go check it out.
The amazing artists behind the t-shirts we have today. Program here, it's a 6-week-long leadership institute for young African leaders. These are professionals between 25 and 35 years old.
A playful celebration of unity and love. And this design is a playful presentation that celebrates everything Mandela believed in, his legacy. Unity, freedom, love, peace, and all of that. And on the picture is...
Can I see, can you explain? Can I see this?
Yeah, sure.
It's the fish?
The fish snacks. Yeah, it's basically from fish.
Oh yeah,
They made it as a snack.
yeah, it was really sweet and you got the fishy taste.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice. Oh, jaggery. Oh, gin jelly rolling. Yeah, I've been to Sri Lanka once.
Wow.
Yeah. 2016. Yeah, it was really nice. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, really.
Never had it.
Oh, you've been there, man.
This is what it is.
So basically we've been here for 5 days.
When there is no one to be like, it feels like we are lazy. When there is no one to trust, we focus more on work. Your mother made you rich. Your father by over 1,000 and...
Well, mine is I'm a teacher and I'm a mom. This is for... If you look at mine,
Your crowd is
yeah, so like I do a season. So like, yeah, and we like to drink it like very strong coffee. Black coffee.
Frank wrote a digestion.
Studying climate change here in the U.S. Our next country represented is Nigeria. This is a group of people from as well. And I encourage you to check out Triumphant's table over there. He's got many.
Sounds pretty good. This is the wine from Star Fruit.
Yeah, wine from star fruit. This one, wine from avocado leaves.
How about where are you from?
I'm from Congo, DRC.
Is that how you made them?
Yeah, yeah. I'm the owner. I'm the founder.
Are you part of the Mandela Fellows?
Yeah, sure.
Oh wow. So this is made from what?
Avocado leaves.
How about that one?
This is the same star fruit.
And what about that
This is
one?
palm wine from palm tree.
Wow. This one's 3% alcohol, huh?
Yeah,
So
it's
you have to
not-
get this
it's not
entire
enough.
bottle just smashed up.
That's why
This
you
one's
came.
8% is enough.
Yeah.
But this one will send you back to your country
Oh.
in the first class flight.
Really prime. Yeah.
First class, business class economy.
Thank you.
Oh, it's from Algeria. So?
Political city.
That's the capital?
Yes, the capital this is the capital, but political city. Capital is, of politics. This one of economics.
Hell yeah, bro. Say what's up. Say your name, please.
My name is Gad Dinyomokonz.
God, that's
Yes.
pretty cool.
Gad Dinyomokonz.
Mandela Fellow.
Yes, and these are the drums that represent our country. What is different to other drums is that only men can play this. Women they dance.
Oh, I like that.
Yes, women they dance.
So women never play the drums.
No, they can't. The size
made out
of
of-
this drum is as big as that tree.
Wow.
The size.
Wow.
And also to play this, you have to carry it on your head. You make sure it doesn't fall. Check the balance, and also play it while it is on your head.
Wow.
And also make movements. You make
do that.
movements. You make sure it doesn't fall, and also make movements around.
Involved at the NYC there. We have a refugee resettlement department.
I make all super dresses. So I have two colors. You like
But I'll let you put it in your pocket.
and you dance.
Namibia. Yes. So we are home to the oldest desert. It's called the Namib Desert. And the Skeleton Coast is where the desert meets the ocean. What kind of material is
That's what I got. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, wait. Thank you. Look at that dress from Equatorial Guinea.